Hi, I'm Sienna Costin with New Home Lifestyles. We're showcasing the best in new home design from around the country. Today we're in Las Vegas with Pulte Homes. We're going to be touring the Trieste model home, which is part of the Cove Horizon and Shoreline Collections community. Let's get started.
Welcome to the Coves by Pulte Homes. This is our single-story collection Horizon series. This home features today home site 201. The address is 3416 Molinos Drive, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89141. Welcome to our quick move-in designer home by Pulte. Come on in. This home is a single-story home, 2,156 square feet, with 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. The Coves is comprised of 234 home sites, all of which in collection 2 that you see here will be all single-story. So this is an all single-story neighborhood, which has a great appeal to those not wanting to be surrounded by other 2-story homes and just having the privacy of all single stories. So this is bedroom number 2. You can see here we've added can lights, you've got a ceiling fan pre-wire, and around the corner you've got your private bathroom for this bedroom, making it a very convenient home when you have guests, perhaps other family members living here with you as well. In this bathroom, we feature 2 sinks. We also have our tub shower combination, a walk-in closet, and the water closet as well. Now we'll show you the convenience of the home and what I feel is the greatest part, but the kitchen as well as the great entertainment area that we have for the great room. Here we have the kitchen, featuring white cabinetry throughout. We have our Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, includes a built-in microwave oven, as well as a cooktop, hood vent, and dishwasher. We do have an upgraded quartz called Lena for a color, as well as cabinets in the laundry room to make it more convenient to store and hide all your laundry room needs. We also feature a huge walk-in pantry in there as well. I'm in the refrigerator space, so. You also have your great room area, and this is where you can entertain friends and guests alike. As you can see, we've opened up our center sliding glass door option, which walks right out to the covered patio, featuring pavers, as well as a large covered area and backyard space for entertaining. We also have an additional sliding glass door, again for access to the backyard. We also feature our cafe area, complete with additional can lighting, as well as a chandelier pre-wire should you need additional lighting in this room. Now we'll walk into the owner's suite, which, as you can see, we tried to, at Pulte Homes, divide the secondary bedrooms from the owner's suite for more privacy, again, for the owners as well as the guests. So we have a very spacious owner's suite. As you can see, we feature 10-foot ceiling height here as well, making it a nice wide open space. Large windows that open up from both sides. We also feature a relaxing bathroom, complete with a large tub, walk-in shower with seat, and a large walk-in closet as well. Plenty of storage space for you and your loved ones. The last room we'll check out is going to be our third bedroom, which normally this home would come with a den in this space and a powder bath. We've actually went ahead and took it a step further and added a complete bedroom and a full bathroom to make this home 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. You can see with our spacious hallway, again dividing the bedrooms from the master suite. As you can see, we've got our bedroom 3, some additional storage space with cabinets and countertop, and then our full bathroom there as well. Thank you for touring our designer quick move-in home. This home can be yours today for a total price of $469,935. We also welcome broker cooperation, as well as an incentive for using our preferred lender, which is Pulte Mortgage. Please see our sales associate for more details. Thank you. This is a special segment we like to incorporate into our homes to show you what sets us apart from other builders. Here at Pulte Homes, we care about the inner workings of our home, and what sets us apart is our energy efficiency and how we build. Here we are at the Cove in our Build Quality Center.
Hello, come on in, welcome.
Hi, Tony. Tony Martinez is one of our field managers here at the Cove.
Come on in. Welcome to the Build Quality Center. What we're going to show you today is some of the features that we have that makes us stand out from any other builder around here in Las Vegas. We start when we walk into our garage here. You can see we have stamps embedded into our concrete. This assures you that nobody cuts or drills through your concrete, since we do run a pulse tension slab. We also run with Lennox air conditioning units out here, which gives us a 15 shear rating, which is one of the top performers around in this part of the country right here. And again, going back to the pulse tension, this is what you'll see when we're actually building. So this is the pre-slab part. When you come to the build, I encourage everybody to come out and see this. It's really fascinating. All these cables run in both directions. And after the concrete sets and cures, they actually stretch the cables. What that does, it keeps our foundation nice together, so we don't have any type of movement at all with it. And you can see we have HDs down here in certain locations. They're also tied to the concrete slab as well to keep our house from moving. As we come onto our energy efficiency, you can see some of the fine stuff that we've done from 2015 on, accumulating awards for our building and our air conditioning units. What we do here inside our house, we either use a jump duct or a transfer duct. These right here, we put them in between rooms because our houses are airtight. So what we want to try to do is we want to try to make an atmosphere and make them breathe. So we do that by simply putting these on each doorway to control our environment, if you will. In the event that we have a low header, we use a jump transfer. Very simple, does the same thing, very effective. And you can see how insulated it is and wrapped as well. Here we have our tankless hot water heater. Our tankless hot water heaters we keep at the 120 degree mark. It's a very simple process. It's not instant hot water, but it's continuous hot water. So when you have company over, staying in your big 5-bedroom house here at the Cove, you have plenty of water to make sure we get through everything. As we come over here, you can look to see, this is what the shower looks like. The shooter's already been put down onto it. This secures everything from leaking. We also get an inspection on this. We get 2 different types of inspection. We get a county inspection, and then we have a third party come and inspect our work as well. Then you can see where the thin set goes on, your bottom tile goes in, as well as your wall, which completes the floor to make it an airtight and watertight system. As we come over to our blown insulation here, you can see the wall. This is what a typical wall looks like on the outside, your outside perimeter wall. It's blown in, so there's no nooks and crannies that we don't get to. It gets in everywhere, and believe me, I transferred from Southern California, and if they don't do it down there, they do it up here in Nevada. It is amazing. Very interesting for you to see. This process happens right after we do our orientation with you to show you what your house is looking like after the build's been going on. And this is what we'd look like if we insulated the inside of your walls as well. We use just regular bats on this. As we come over to here, you can see how the outside of our house, the different stages of it. Right here we have our tie bar that's up. This goes over the wood studs, if you will. You can see where your window comes in, how it's all properly sealed, all of our tapes where it needs to be. From that point, it goes to the foam. And as you see the foam here, it's nailed in patterns on the studs. This also gets checked. It gets checked twice. It gets checked by us, and this is where you'll see a series of pink dots and pink X's. That means we're actually doing our job and checking our job. So we'll put those over to make sure they have all the proper pieces that we need to complete the next stage, which would be stucco. So the stucco process goes through and completes the house out. As we walk over to the final thing right here, this is what our attics look like. Our attics are actually conditioned attics. So as opposed to an attic with having bats down on it, the rest of the attic will take all the heat on, which is a lot more work on your FAU, forced air unit. Here you can see simply we have a great indication of how the insulation is blown into the rafters up above, and the joists, the rafters themselves stay exposed. So you'll also notice there's a light up there. As you come in through your attic access, you'll have a light that's on a timer and what we call a jelly jar. That just turns the light on up there so you can see everything that's going on. So I hope you enjoyed your little presentation. Enjoy yourself in your new Pulte home.
To learn more about this new home, check out the link below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep tuning in for more new home showcases.